Dustin. I've known you for like 2 years. I've managed to never see your penis until your 29th birthday, and I noticed it in your Asian hat. But anyways, you screwed up your cake. It's all on the floor, and I'm standing in it. Standing in it. Say hello. He looks confused. Anyways, have a happy birthday, you fart.
Happy birthday, Dustin.
See your fucking side, Joe. Happy birthday.
Dustin, happy birthday. I'm not even talking. Birthday, Dustin.
Happy birthday. Don't take my word for it. I know that you guys have something going on. You're a complete dick. I'm gonna kill you. Happy birthday, Dustin. I hope you're having a fabulous day.
Happy birthday, Dustin. Wishing you 29th birthday. Hearing your friends and all that. Thanks for showing your cock-a-doodle-doo. Hope you have any wishes and everything. Once again, once you have a birthday. Waiting for another show in 2 minutes. Peace. Dustin, happy birthday. Thank you for wiping that cake over my face. I make cake. Happy birthday, brother. 29th. Last 20th. Enjoy it.
You need to turn around.